seatbelt fasten and keep the officer until we're parked at the gate. The captain will then turn off the fasten seatbelt sign indicating it is safe to stand. Use caution when opening the overhead compartments and removing items since articles may have shifted during flight. The use of wireless communication devices such as cellular phones and PDAs is now permitted. However, all other electronic devices must remain off and stowed until we reach the gate and the captain has turned off the fasten seatbelt sign. On behalf of US Airways, thank you for flying with us today. We appreciate your business and look forward to serving you on a future flight.
Looks like we're going to get another traditional shower again, as the fire trucks will be on each side, right, as a farewell.